Smells something on it. It smells a kitten, I think. Ooh.
Never seen him do that before.
No. I think it's because of all the other cats. It's nervous.
Just like my camera wouldn't do that.
What?
Can you guys hear me if I don't use the mic?
Yep.
Okay, that's easier. Because I gotta hang on to him. This is Simba Hudson. Simba's 2.5 years old. His young lady informs me that he is a Blue Point Siamese mix, which is exactly right. He is Blue Point. I don't know his heritage, but I know he is Blue Point. Very handsome boy. Not quite totally thrilled to be here, but that's okay. I understand. This is a very strange, scary place. Simba is a house kitty. He is neutered. And to keep him at good weight, they feed him healthy weight cat food. They play with him and exercise him a lot. Good boy. You should, his fur is so soft. He feels really good.